Why are you crying?
Leave! Just go away, I don't want to see you here.
What have I done?
You stand here and ask me what you've done.
Was I the math teacher that flogged you? Was I the one that asked him to flog you?
So why were you laughing at me?
I wasn't laughing, just that the whole class were laughing.
And you joined them and laughed at me too.
I'm sorry, just that you look awkward, they're laughing and I'm not laughing. I wasn't laughing at you. It's really from my heart.
I was not crying because of the cane. I was not crying because the class teacher flogged me. I started crying the moment I saw you laughing at me. You opened your mouth and laughed at me, Mike. After all we've done together, we've shared together, Mike.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You broke my heart.
I'm sorry. I never saw it from that angle. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. Please, if you... I never knew it was going to hurt you that way. I was only laughing. I was just to prove that I'm a strong boy. Not that I wanted to laugh at you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. If you... Because you're smile for me. Are you forgiving me? Sorry, yeah.
Don't do that again.
I crossed my heart. I will not do it again.
You made me to share my expensive cry.
Sorry. Sorry. I've been looking for you all day.
I was here.
Sorry, yeah. I promise I'll never laugh at you. Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Why now? Aren't we going together?
No. I'm not going yet.
Why?
Nothing, just go. We'll see you tomorrow.
You seem as if you don't know him. He's waiting for his girlfriend Ifunaya. Mike. Must you go home after school with her? Must you? Ask him.
It's not a must and it's not your problem. Please just go, yeah? Tomorrow, see. Bros, just go.
What will you call this?
I'm fine doing. I went to the principal's office and I came back, found out you left already.
I don't go, I was waiting for you.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go then.
Ladies first.
I don't know.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Okay.
I say ladies first. Alright, see you.
So when am I seeing you? Tomorrow is Saturday and next is Sunday. So when exactly am I seeing you?
Oh, I'll come tomorrow.
Time?
So when I'm done with my house chores, I'll come.
If I wait till 1 p.m. and I don't see you, I'll come over.
No, don't come to my house. So I will come. See, if you come to my house, you know my mother don't like females visiting me.
Oh, born again mother. Pico,
Good job.
I'll see you.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. You are the first man I've ever known carnally. You took my virginity and I'm so happy you're the one. But my fear is that I don't know if you love me like I love you.
Ife, you know I love you. You know I truly love you. And it's because of you my friends call me weakly. I don't mind. For the love I have for you is strong.
So, I'm afraid you're going to leave me someday. And losing you someday is my greatest fear on earth.
Ife, to be frank with you, you're the one that's going to leave me.
No, Michael. You know I can't leave you. You know how much I love you. I can't leave you, Mike.
You know, I've thought about this before. But I just decided not to take it to heart. Look at me, I'm still a young boy. I'm not ready for marriage till 10 years or maybe 15 years later. But look at you. You are ripe already. You're ready for marriage. By next year or next 2 years, suitors will start coming. And you can't withstand the pressure. And you know you can't.
Mike, I can. I can withstand the pressure so long you are there for me. I promise never to take any proposal from any man. Mike.
My love, I'm so happy to hear this from you. And I promise you, once I'm ready to get married and you are still single, I will always come for you. I'm surely going to marry you. I love you. And I would love to spend the rest of my life with you.
I love you too.
I love your smile.
I'm so happy you're saying this now.
Don't leave me.
No, I won't.
I'll never leave you. Promise.
Yeah, I will not
Promise
leave
you.
That's so funny.
You were the bad girl. But you always get the good things of life. You were the first. You were the first to get a good and thriving business. You were also the first to get a car of your own. And now, you want to be the first to get married to a man. Not just any kind of man. My first love. No now. No now, Lizzie, check him now. If now you uncle. I can't take it. I don't fit take him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to fail this relationship. This bestie. I'm sorry. I can't take it. I just can't take it. I can't. Babe, wait now. Let me explain. You don't know what happened to me. Make I explain now. See, babe, as I was coming to see your Prince Charming, I entered a cab. I answered one stupid, useless call from one of my friends. As I picked the call, finish, I dropped him beside me. And I got distracted. I don't know what happened. I slept off. I can't even remember. And I came down from the cab. I forgot my phone in that cab. I kept calling that number since yesterday afternoon till night. It now went off. Thank God, I now called this morning. The driver now said, okay, that he saw my phone when he was brushing his car seat. That if he had picked another customer when he dropped it, then that phone would have been missing. Yes, now. I just received the phone this morning. Bele, my darling. Bele. Oh yeah, come, I'm in the salon. I'm waiting for you. You too like wahala. This is my bestie safe. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for you. I love you. Bye. okay, I think the best option is for me to go with my mother's advice. What are you talking about? You want to tell him that you were once a notorious stripper?
Yeah, but that's the best.
Stop it! Stop! Which kind of stuff is this? Eh? You won't use your own hands to spoil your relationship. Why you go to another kind of thing now? Why?
How? He wouldn't it be more drastic when he gets to find out from someone else?
Babe, I'm not really like this kind of talk where they talk. This guy is a new fish. He doesn't know anywhere in this town. He doesn't know anybody. Who will tell him? Who will tell him?
It's just a small world. Though. Bestie when no me to where if he just open mouth. Wow.
You want you want to go carry speaker and say, I was once a stripper. Oh, guy, now why you talk like this? This is a relationship. You don't say we don't look for serious relationship. You don't see now. Now marriage thing, you need to guide it with everything you've got. Girl, women they get relationship, they enter marriage. Let this be a secret you hold till death. You get what I mean? You understand me now? You get me?
Oh goodness God. You see, this is why I talk about you.
Oh.
I mean, what are besties for?
What up?
When he comes to advise you too much.
You know I love you.
Thank you, Jare.
Okay.
You see, I've been on the integrated things, but just
Calm down. Not tell him. Calm
Small,
down.
sharp. That reminds me. We have an event this evening.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be a better idea for me to bring my man so you get to meet him?
This evening?
Yes.
I would have loved to see him. But just that this evening I have to go for a family meeting. My elder sister called me and told me that we have to discuss something. That if I'm not there, something will spoil. So I have to be there.
But you can postpone it till tomorrow now.
I suppose don't dey there now. Now because I say you they come and I need to settle one or two things before I travel for saloon. You know now.
I don't tire for you. I bet you when you come back.
No worry, we'll go see him on a different
Your
day.
wahala no dey ever finish.
Yeah, see this hair. I want me to buy this hair. You go fit you.
All the hairs I don't buy from you. Don't
I don't change your life.
I
Oh.
beg you.
I beg you. That one at 2,000.
You say?
Waiting.
That's Shoni what not be only 1,000 naira.
Back.
Hello? Hello? Who are you?
I am a concerned good Samaritan who wants to save you from destruction. The very destruction you're running into, freely.
Do you go by any name?
You can call me Egedege.
Okay. Egedege, what destruction are you talking about?
The very woman you took to your mom as a wife-to-be.
And what about her?
How could you? How could you dabble into a lady without proper investigations? Without questioning, you already proposed to her. Ijule Saju, Imaru Nyobo. How? Do you really know who she is? Imonyobo.
So what's your business in my marital life?
I only want to save your innocent soul. Ebele Kanemeli. To save you.
You want to save my soul? Save my soul from what exactly?
From the destruction you're running into, willingly.
Which destruction are you talking about?
Lizzie, the woman you want to marry. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello?
Baby, what is it? Ever since you walked into my office, you've just been sitting down and looking at me in a very horrible and scary way. What is it? What have I done?
I hope there isn't anything about you that I'm not told.
Anything about me like what?
Is there anything you think I should hear?
The question is, did you hear anything about me? If you did, then you should come out plain and stop bitching about the bush.
Who is Egedege?
Excuse me? I mean, where in the green world did you bring out that ancient name from? I don't understand. What the hell is Egedege? I don't know what that means. I mean, what tribe is that?
Are you sure?
Baby, I do not know anyone with that name.
Are you sure?
God. You know what? I think this is getting out of hand. If you heard something about me, why don't you just tell me so I could at least make an explanation or something? What is this?
Why don't you tell me about it yourself?
Now you're beginning to drive me crazy, and I am not going to go berserk just because I am in love with you. If you want to tell me something, you go straight to the point. Maybe I should just go after him and tell him everything. Oh no. Maybe it's not even what I'm thinking. Maybe it's something different. God, please. I do not want anything to happen to my relationship. I beg you. Please. I don't want to lose my man. What am I supposed to do now?
Sorry. What is this? Hello? What happened? He heard something. How did you know he heard something? No, now you can't judge like that. What you're thinking might be different from what he's thinking. You can't just judge because he's frowning his face, you think he heard something. Eh? Babe, why you talk like say you be small again? It's going to make me vex for you. How will you just go and tell him your dirty secrets? Just like that? Yes, if he hears about it, you just explain it to him. Not like you just go and tell him. There's some secrets we women should have. Don't go and use your own hand to ruin your relationship. I've told you this. Don't go and use your hand to ruin your relationship. Just let it be. Don't just do as if you don't know what they happen. You hear? That's what besties do, eh? Take care. Sorry, eh?
Guy, I'm only trying to save you from destruction. Now, if you must know, Nwanyị ekpojele mama gị as your wife to be is a high-class prostitute. A first-class prostitute. A whore. A well-known stripper in most of the happening clubs in town. Akuna mama. I know you will not believe me. Why would you even believe a stranger like me? But I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to save your soul. I'm aware you might find it difficult to believe me. But don't worry. Yeah? I will send you some proof on your WhatsApp. Goodbye.
Why is this person doing this? What's rubbish? What's all this? Oh my God. Chiboy! Chiboy! Open the gate for me. So this is what it's all about. Huh?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I knew it. I knew that this office is all about camouflage. I knew that something is wrong. I knew that something is up. How can you be this rich and beautiful, yet you remain unmarried? Huh?
I don't understand, seriously. What is going on?
I am talking about your prostitution business.
Excuse me. No, what right have you to walk into my office and call me a prostitute? I will not stay
I am
from you.
talking about this.
Baby, I can explain about this.
Oh.
It's not the way.
Oh, now she wants to explain. I am not listening to your explanations.
No, baby.
Hey, don't.
Baby, please wait. Baby, wait. Let me explain to you. Wait. Baby. Good morning, my dear. How are you? I'm fine. Okay, where's your mother?
I thought she told you that she'll be traveling.
Oh, she did? My bad. I actually forgot. Let me just call her. Switched off. How come my number is switched off?
I wouldn't know.
Okay, I'll just keep calling her, but please, in case she returns, just let her know that I was. Have a nice day.
Let me see how you will marry Mike. Idiot. Please sit down, continue what you're doing. Okay. See your head like go slow. I'm going to marry Mike. Come on, marry, let me see. Where is that customer's wig? Let me see. We have not finished the wig. Eh? What are you?
Please, pick up your call. Let me explain to you. Oh God, what is all this?
Ma, the budgets are ready. I told him you will call him as soon as you go through the budget.
Just drop it and go, please.
Ma, please.
Are you dead? I said drop it and get the hell out of my office right now!
I'm sorry.
Get out! You chocolate midget. Please.
Mama, if not for you, I wouldn't have accepted my fiancé's proposal to kick off immediately. Eh? But thank God Auntie Lizzie is getting married soon. Mama, see, I will tell my fiancé to hold on. Let her finish her own marriage first before mine.
Hey, my daughter.
Mama.
There's this adage in Igbo that said, Ifeoma na-efe efe, ọchị na-efe efe. When a good thing comes, it spreads. That was why I asked you to accept that proposal. Look at it. It has extended to your sister. Now your sister is getting married. The man in question told your father's kinsmen that he's coming this week to take the list for the marital rights and that he's ready to do everything in 2 weeks' time.
Ezio.
Everything.
Hey, Mama. Sister is very lucky.
Honest.
Hey, that man must be a very rich man. Yes.
You see, as na nwoke nwere ego na-esi isi, afọ dị mkpa anụ isi ego. The man is stinkingly rich.
I'm so happy, Mama. If you see go, I am so happy. At least, let me accord my eldest sister the respect I have always wanted to accord her.
Okay.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, okay for marriage, she must finish her own first before mine. Honestly. I am happy.
God has remembered our family.
Exactly.
I'm so happy for my family.
Hey! So finally, the notorious village sister that opens and closes her leg for men is getting married. Why the holy ones are still here? Yeah.
Oh, my sister, if you're Ghanaian now, you have seen it. See this life, no balance at all.
No balance at all. This life no just balance. Hey, what about your bestie, her sister?
She's even the one that said she told her husband to slow down for their marriage plan to enable her sister and her husband to finish their own.
Hey, yeah, that means she's really getting married though.
Yes, no.
Hey.
Yeah. Even uncle. Oh yeah, now.
Oh yeah, now. And you're still here. No, it's remaining you. It's remaining you. My sister, it's remaining you.
Wait. I just don't understand this. Like, I don't understand. You are talking about me. You? Me? Are you not old enough to get married?
Calm down now. She's your bestie, oh. The person that the both of you used to go around this village together. People used to walk around this village and around this village together. She's the one getting married. This is my bestie that is getting married. It's your bestie that is getting married.
You're not old enough to get married now. Still be in your father's house since you don't want to marry. Nonsense. Look at this stupid girl. You still stay there. Don't go and marry. You're talking about me. Nonsense. But she's right though.
up your calls now. What is going on? What is wrong with everyone? Why is Ify not picking up our calls? Eh? Pick up your call now. I need to talk to someone. I'm about going crazy here. I need to talk to someone. Please pick up your call, Ify. Please. 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 Ha! Pick up your call. Pick up.
Mike. Are you okay? You sounded so terrible. Come on, drinking yourself to stupor will not solve the problem. What is it? Tell me, what is the problem?
Thank God I ran into you. You know, I've been looking for a shoulder to lean on. You know, looking for someone to talk to.
I'm here.
But I don't just know anyone in this town.
I'm here. You can talk to me. What is it?
You know the girl I told you I want to marry?
Yeah, that girl. Yeah. What happened?
I'm going to see her people. She has actually seen my people too. And I promised her people that I'll be coming to collect the marriage list. I just want to do everything fast.
Okay.
Yeah. Little did I know that I'm actually running into my early grave.
You are getting me confused. What's up?
A certain number called me to tell me some stuffs. At first, I didn't want to take it serious, but at long run, the person sent me some pictures.
Pictures?
Yes.
What pictures? Can I see it?
Okay. This is the lady I want to spend the rest of my life with.
This girl is a stripper! Oh my days! She's a whore! Is this the girl you want to marry? No, stop! Stop it! No!
My dear, that's how I see it.
No. It's a no from me. I mean, how do you want to introduce her to your mom? A stripper? You want to make us your wife? Hell to the no! Hell no! Stop! Come on!
The worst part of it is that I'm deeply in love with this girl. I'm loving her so much. Right now, I'm hot. I'm heartbroken.
What are you?
I don't even know what to do.
What are you even talking about? Love? This girl is clearly a whore. I mean, numerous men have slept with her. They have seen her nakedness. They have milked the juice out of her. You cannot marry her, okay? You cannot afford to marry her. You cannot afford to make her your wife.
You know, love at first sight.
What kind of stupid love is that? I mean, there are so many beautiful women out there. So many beautiful women out there. You want to make this whore your wife? It's fine, okay? Drink up. Is she the one calling?
She has been calling, but I didn't just want to pick her calls.
Why is she calling? I mean...
Maybe to explain, but I wonder what she wants to talk about.
Explain what? That she's a whore and she has been milked of her juice. You need a decent woman. A woman befitting for a king. Not a loose woman. A dog. Okay?
pick up your call. Pick up your call, please. Let me... Oh my goodness. I'm begging you in the name of God, just pick up.
Who is calling you?
No, it's nobody.
Is that your boyfriend?
Boyfriend? Come on, I'm too big for that. I mean, at my age, I shouldn't be doing a boyfriend. Nah.
Okay, your fiancé, right?
Fiance?
Yeah.
Well, I do not have a man in my life right now. Okay, if that's what you want to hear. And besides, it's not even a guy, so don't worry about it.
So can I say the name of the person that just called you?
Okay.
Bestie.
Come on, don't do your face like that. My bestie is a girl. Okay, not a guy. I'm not dating anyone right now. Okay, so you deserve someone better in your life, not some whore. Okay? Okay?
Ify, not even you, not you, my best friend. You need to pick up your call at this point of my life because I'm losing it. Someone needs to talk to me for goodness sake. Pick up your call, pick up. Oh my God, what's going on? What's going on? That's me, yes. But come on, I have the right to expressions, you know. Let me explain myself. The fact that you're not even giving me a listening ear is killing me. Please. Please.
I'm listening.
Baby, I was never a whore. Neither was I a prostitute. I was just a stripper. Come on, don't even give me that look. I know it's not something I should be proud of. I wish I can just take back the hands of time and wipe out that part of story from my life, but it wasn't intentional. I only got into that business because of peer pressure. Baby, I was making a whole lot of money because I was everyone's favorite.